my favorite gun. Killing spree.
The concept of play to earn games has always fascinated me because I love playing games, and if you can earn money while playing games, what else do you need in this world? So in last bull run, I invested in 2 games. The first one was Bomb Crypto and the second one was Crypto Mines. I lost a good amount of money on these 2 games that I was not able to recover from the loss, and I was afraid to invest in any play to earn game ever. So I never invested in any other game, but I started playing Thetan Arena without investing in it during the last bull run, and I have been playing it for a while now without investing in it. So recently I gathered some courage and invested $30 in it. The sale was there, so I purchased the lowest amount of boxes. There are different Thetan boxes that you need to purchase in order to start grinding and making money. You can also start with free heroes and you will start earning money, but it is quite small that playing game would be better than making your focus completely on earning the money. So I invested $30, purchased 3 lowest ranking boxes and started grinding. You could grind with these boxes for half an hour per day, and it would give you total amount of grind of 1.5 hours each box. So it took me 3 days to complete my grind on all these 3 boxes, and I earned about 2000 THG, which is the currency of this particular game and ecosystem, and I spent around 1800 THG. So I was in the profit of 200 THG, and this is not much at all. If we check out the price of THG, then it is around 0.01708, and it has risen to around 30% recently in the last 30 days. So it is not that much and it has been declining, but this is the price and you won't be earning much with 200 THG, so it was not a big profit. So I just broke even on my investment in Thetan Arena. So I invested all the THG that I just earned from this game back into this game, and this time again I purchased 3 boxes. The sale is currently not there as you can see over here, but the sale do come from time to time and you can also purchase the boxes from there. So I started my grind again on Thetan Arena, and this time again I made around 2100 THG, which is not that much. Now I have reinvested that THG back into the game and purchased 3 more boxes. So you get limited amount of time from these boxes and you have to spend them and play wisely while using these boxes, because if you don't have these skills, there is no point of purchasing these boxes. The better you play and the better your ranking is in the battles, the more rewards you will be getting. So if you are a good player, only then invest in Thetan Arena. This is the conclusion. We will also see how you can play this game and how everything will work out. First, you will require some USDT in your Binance Smart Chain, and then you can use that USDT to purchase the boxes whenever the sale is live. And after that, you can check out the boxes on your inventory over here. And after that, you have to open up the boxes. I have already opened up all my boxes and I'm left with the NFTs now. And here you can see in these NFTs all the remaining time that they are left with. So most of them has been completed with 1.5 hours of grind. Some are left with some time that I will be using in order to make some more THG. So you would be able to see all your grind in this grind tab, and when we scroll down you would be able to see all the THG rewards that you have earned on any particular NFT that you just got. These are the NFTs that I am currently using, and you can see the THG which is there for that particular NFT. After earning this THG, you can claim it up quite easily and then transfer it back to your MetaMask wallet. And here you can also see the leaderboard section where you would be getting some additional rewards if you have purchased the NFTs, because you would be getting additional points as compared to the people who are playing for free. So in the season 4, I currently rank around 115 in the world. So in Thetan Arena, I currently rank number 1 in the silver league, and previous one was someone else obviously. So you can see the rewards over here that was given to people who ranked 1, 2 and 3. So this way currently I rank number 1, so I would be getting some THG rewards when this particular period ends. And in the similar way, if you are number 1 in the world, then you would be getting good amount of money. But you will also need to invest some money in order to earn these points and then rank number 1. So the previous person got around 40,190 THG. This is quite good for a month if you are dependent on this particular earning, but this must have required some investment from that particular player in order to earn these rewards. So this is how this game will work out. If you are a good player, then it is good to play. If you are not, then you just play it for fun rather than making some earnings from it. Now let's see how you can play this game. Simply download it on your mobile device and after start the game. Now in this game you will have to break these boxes in order to earn different levels, and you would be getting different powers like the speed, the energies and attacking speed and all sort of different things. You have to power up and you have to be the last man standing in order to win. Simply break these boxes, earn the powers, and then you have to attack different players. If you are able to kill different people and be the last man standing, you would win. This is how you would be able to play. Now it would require some skills and a good amount of experience to master this particular game, and it is quite addictive, so start playing it on your own risk. Now every hero has a different benefits, and some are mid-range, some are long range, some are short range, and melee heroes are also there and they have the specific power. And like all the other games, the zone will shrink and you have to be in the zone in order to be alive, and after that it's up to you whether you want to be aggressive or defensive. It's all your strategy.
Killing spree. Rampage. You do not frighten me.
Now 2 people are remaining, and you can see on the top the 2 people who are remaining, and we are the 2, and whoever kills each other is going to win.
Match over.
So the higher you finish, the better your earnings will be. And here you can see different rewards that you will be getting as soon as you end the battle, and this is your NFT card that will be making you money. And here you can see my daily earnings and also the playtime remaining for any particular NFT. The max grind has been reached for some of the NFTs, but some are still remaining, and I can use these NFTs to make some THG, which I can convert to other cryptos. So that's the reality of play to earn games. If you are good, you would be making money. If you are not, then play it for fun, but don't expect the money. And if you have any more play to earn games to suggest, simply suggest them in the comment section, and I will also be searching for different play to earn games so I can try them and see if it works out. So I will create more videos about play to earn games whenever I find them and invest in them. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. See you in the next one.